Hello guys, welcome to my YouTube channel. This is Mr. Awesome again, and today I'm going to teach you 5 ways that you can make at least 350k online every single month if you take it serious. Alright, so these 5 ways you're going to be able to make at least 350k online. Now I'm going to run straight to the point. Alright, so let's first of all, before we get there, kindly click on the subscribe button and like the video so that more people will get to see this video on Facebook, on YouTube, no matter where you're watching from. Just click on the like button and share if you can, so that I can be able to make more of these videos for you. All right, so click and let's go. All right, so the first one is to become a digital media buyer. Guys, this thing is a lot of money, because a lot of people are into online businesses right now, and many of these people don't even know how to run adverts on their own. So imagine if you can run adverts for these people, you're going to be cashing out a lot, right? So you should just go learn how to run Facebook and Instagram ads, because a lot of business people use these platforms. People use platforms like Instagram, Twitter, Facebook to advertise their businesses, and most of them don't even know how to run adverts. And if you look at Nigeria now, we have quite a lot of affiliate marketers everywhere, drop shippers, people and new companies, people who are coming into the online space to do one business or the other. A lot of them do not know how to run adverts. Take it from me, and this is an opportunity for you to run adverts and cash out from these guys. Now you can actually offer learn and offer this thing as a service. All right, so imagine doing this thing for, let's say you charge, for example, as a starter, you can charge 20k from let's say 10 people to run adverts for them, and there are more than 10 people who need these services. You can start from 20k. So 20k times 10, that's about 200,000. And imagine if you keep doing this the way it is, and on and on and on. You might be thinking they are not there, but a lot of these people are all over social media, and you can actually find them if you look for them. So if you can get to solve this problem for them and help them run adverts, you're going to make money. And one of the few things you can also do is to do this thing for free for your friends. When you do it for them, you ask them to send you a video, more like saying, this is what this guy did for me, and I was able to sell this amount of my product. It's more like a social proof. So when you have this video testimonials, people can believe in what you do and be able to come in to do business with you. So you can go on YouTube, search for how to run Facebook adverts, or how to run Google ads, or how to run Instagram ads. All these videos are on YouTube. You can watch them. Then if you are a digital marketer, that is it. Boom, that is all. You're going to make a lot of money. So in case you do not have any knowledge of digital marketing, there's a digital marketing course that can actually teach you how to run Instagram adverts, how to run Facebook adverts, how to run retargeting ads. Companies are looking for this one a lot. If you can do retargeting ads, companies are going to come for you. How to many of these things, how to sell generally online. I think you should get a digital marketing course, and if you're interested in it, there is a link to a course that will be under this video, so you can just go grab that course if this is what you want to do. So this is the next one is affiliate marketing. Affiliate marketing, people these days, you'll see everyone talking about affiliate marketing. Not everyone truly understand what affiliate marketing is. Some of you even think it's complicated. Come on, affiliate marketing is one of the simplest things you can do out there today. You even do affiliate marketing every day, but you do not know and you do not make money from it. Affiliate marketing is simply recommending someone else's product to somebody else. Let's say I sell this moon. I went to buy moon. I love moon. So let's say I sell this moon, and somebody else sees this moon, or somebody said they need something to decorate their room just like mine. And I say, I know someone who sells moon, something like this. You tell them that the moon will be nice in their room and all of that. They say, okay, fine, can you help me get to the guy? Now, people do this on a regular day, but you don't make money from it because you do not do it online, or you don't do it as a business. But if you can recommend this thing for somebody, and someone buys it from you, and I pay you a commission for this thing that you sold, it's affiliate marketing. So if you know how to do affiliate marketing, you're going to make a whole lot of money. Imagine products that are sold for 50k, probably your affiliate commission in it is about 10k. When you sell 20 of this product, you're making like 200,000 from it. So there is a lot of money in affiliate marketing, and there is a system also for affiliate marketing. You need to learn how to do it. You don't just jump and start doing affiliate marketing. You need to know how to do it. If you're also interested in that, we also have a course on affiliate marketing. These courses are simplified. You can finish them quick, and they are affordable because of you. Very affordable, right? There is also a link to an affiliate marketing course under this video, where you can get that course and start affiliate marketing. You don't need to spend all that money to be an affiliate marketer. It's really simple, but you need to know how to do it online. So take that course if you're interested in it. So another one is to build a one-page sales funnel. You can use ClickFunnels, you can use ConvertKit, you can use card.co. Now, because there are a lot of creators online, people who create courses, people who create PDFs, people who write books, and then again you have affiliate marketers, people who are into affiliate marketing. They need a one-page sales funnel to be able to get leads, to generate leads, or to even sell their products. They need a one-page website, a landing page and a sales funnel. Now, if you learn how to build a one-page sales funnel with ClickFunnels, a sales funnel has a structure. There's a way to design a sales funnel. It is not just like every other landing page. You have to design it in a way that it converts. People build sales funnels because they want those funnels to lead customers down to the point where they have to make money from them or have to take an action. So you really need to learn how to structure. It is called a funnel for a reason. You should learn how to structure a sales funnel, and it's really simple. But I don't have a course on it. Though I have a free video. In case you need a video, I can send you a free video on how to do a sales funnel. I didn't make that video. There's a professional that made a video on how to run a sales. It's for free. I can send you that video, or you can also search on YouTube how to build a sales funnel with. I would recommend ClickFunnels. I recommend ConvertKit or card.co. These are free pick and drop websites that you can use to build a good sales funnel. So you check that out, and don't take these things I'm saying for granted, guys. People are making shitload of money with these things, so you shouldn't really sleep on it. It is all about how to make money online, and if it is what you're looking for, why not jump on this? All right. So the next one is local arbitrage. Now, what is local arbitrage? It's simply to buy products offline and sell them online. All these products you see on Jumia, many of those products are bought for nothing. The people who sell them buy them for nothing. So let's say I want to sell this thing right now. I don't know if you can see this. I want to sell this, and I find someone who sells it for maybe 300 or 400, then I buy it. Then I go to an e-commerce platform like Jumia or Konga, register with them, and sell this thing for 1k. Do you know how much I am going to make from it? It is called local arbitrage. You buy products cheap offline, take them online and sell. A lot of people are going to buy. These platforms promote this product for you, and people, they have millions of users, and when these users come, they go ahead and buy the product you're selling there. So for something you bought 300 naira, selling it for 1k is like making like 2 to 300% profit plus. You can imagine if you invest 100k in it, it is a bomb. So think about local arbitrage. Buy a unique product offline and sell it on an e-commerce platform online. Now, you don't just go and sell every product people can just walk into a store and buy. Look for products that are unique. It could be health products, it could be product that are related with beauty. Those products that people can easily find, especially health and beauty. People are really going for it. Health products, beauty products, product that people cannot just find anywhere. People are going for it and they are buying it. So look for such products and lay your hands on them. Take them to an e-commerce platform and sell. You're going to make shitload of money. All right. And finally, information marketing. Have you seen people all over the internet trying to teach you one thing or the other, trying to sell courses, trying to sell ebooks to you, trying to, there's a lot of money from it. I personally, I made good money from it last year. Information marketing. I made shitload of money from information marketing last year. And I think I'm going to create a course on it. Information marketing is just all about building an information product. People are looking for information products that teach them one thing or the other, products that transform their lives from point 1 to point B, product that bring them into new knowledge. People are buying it. I made money from information marketing last year, a lot of money, a lot. So I'm a living witness and I'm recommending it to you. Go learn how to market information. Get into information marketing, sell what you know. There are platforms where you can sell, there are people you can buy, and there are ways to streamline people to get them to buy your information product. So if you want to get into information marketing and you need me to create a course on it, please let me know in the comment section, and I'm going to create a course on information marketing for you. There is money in information marketing, I'm telling you the truth. I made a lot of money from it, so you should also look into it, right? Thank you for watching my YouTube video. Go ahead and click on the subscribe button, like the video, share. If you're watching on YouTube, click follow, like, and share, and also leave a comment and tell me also if there's anything you want me to make a video on, and I will go ahead and do it. Guys, thank you for watching. This is Mr. Awesome. Peace out.